So currently I am with my CS department teachers. They're all my teachers and they have supported this Anadanta and as well the whole of the program, and they are also very supportive in academics. So academics bhi hai and also the festival also is going on amazing. Let's cover up the different thing also. Thank you. So this was one of the videos that actually failed. Failed इसलिए क्योंकि I wanted to make vlog of this, but you know, some things happened and I wasn't able to. And this was not the only time. There are many times I failed to make vlog. यहाँ पे mood किया कि yes I should make vlog and then something or the other thing happened. कभी कभी लगता है कि खुद पे embarrassment, कभी खुद पे nervousness आता है. यार I'm not good looking today, so I shouldn't make vlog or like that. The situation is not good. My camera is not working. It's raining. Hell lot of things. So today I will be seeing some comedy things जो हुए मेरे साथ पहले. And also I will mention the dates और क्या क्या occasion में वो हुए हैं. फिलहाल ये तो अनादेंता था which was our college fest. इतना भंड हुआ है, इतना मतलब कुछ ना कुछ reasons आ गए हैं. And if I would say the vlog success rate is less than 10%, 90% से ज्यादा में vlogging नहीं हो पाई थी. So let's react. अभी का रिएक्शन देखते हैं कितना कॉमेडी लगता है. So I will be sharing on the screen as well as my reactions also. So देखते हैं क्या हो पाता है. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to the channel. अभी हम लोग we are here in new seminar hall of our college. It is the starting of our branch association, the called Cryptep. और इसके बाद most probably fresher party will be there. So we are here. Let's start. So ये वाली वीडियो हुई थी of the freshers day. I was about to make the vlog. सब कुछ बहुत अच्छा चल रहा था. Then I think so the mood was there, right? The enjoyment. I literally want to enjoy in that scenario rather than making video. ये बात होता है, ये बात सही है कि if you are making the vlog then you will not enjoy in that scene. Suppose you go to any scenic beauty, any adventure trip. Then if you are making vlog, the percentage of the time that you will give on the real exciting thing, exploring things, that will be reduced. So एक और वीडियो, let's move on. ये तो भाई एपिक है अनादेंता का, जैसे आपने देखा द स्टार्टिंग ऑफ द वीडियो जहां पे मैंने टीचर्स लोग को दिखाया था. दैट आर द टीचर्स आर ऑफ CS department, my department in our college, and they are fab, literally fab. Everything is like every teacher is so chill. Not only in teaching, they teach us very well, but also giving marks and attendance and all those stuffs. So let's move on to another video. ये है अनादेंता कहीं next. ओके सो गाइस, यहाँ पे फेस पेंटिंग कंपटीशन जो हुआ, इन दोनों ने पार्ट तो नहीं लिया लेकिन बचा हुआ रिसोर्स इन्होंने यूज किया. एंड
हमने सोचा थोड़ा हम भी डार्कनेस को इम्प्रेस कर ले.
हाँ, तो जोकर, ये जोकर बन के क्यों इम्प्रेस कर रहे हो?
वॉल पे लगाया भाई,
ये वाला था ऑब्वियसली अनंता का, वेयर फेस पेंटिंग वाज देयर. एंड you know I was about to cover the entire thing of Anadanta, the 3-day fest, college fest. इस बार मैंने सोच के रखा था कि I will make a very good vlog of this and I will show to the entire college, but somehow my camera didn't work in night. So there are always certain reasons and you have to overcome that. So in that case I failed to make vlog, and I have to say that because many of the 5,000 people of the college were waiting for my vlog, but I wasn't able to make it. फिर अगला है एक और होली का. होली is like not allowed in our college because एक दिन दिया जाता है, some Sunday or something, where at that time only we have to play Holi. But on the day of Holi we illegally play Holi in our college. It's true. We forbid the rules, हम लोग rules तोड़ते हैं. So I was trying to make, so let's see that. Hey, what's up everyone? Happy Holi पहले बात सबको. और यहाँ पे देख रहे हैं सारे friends जो हम लोग के कॉलेज में होली खेलने में व्यस्त है. So this was of Holi. I was the friends actually said to me that you should make vlog. We were given a certain time, but then also I tried. Okay, let's start the video. But then उतना colors था, इतना exposure था, इतना water था कि the camera wasn't working and I missed the chance of making the vlog. So the conclusion is I tried to make the videos, but I failed many times, and it's not that I succeeded all the times. It's true, and that will happen in every field, be it vlogging or be it photography or be it filmmaking or be it sports or be it anything. It's not that MS Dhoni has won all the IPL matches, all the IPL cups, and all the Team India matches. No, he has to try, and like that also we have to try making the things go around. So the last video that I uploaded of the Uganda thing, the Uganda में लोग जो लोग देख रहे हैं वहाँ पे सबसे कम views मिले मेरे को अभी चैनल में, but the comments are the best till now. तो उसमें से जो बेस्ट कमेंट मेरे को तीन कमेंट बेस्ट लगे. वन वॉज दैट फ्रॉम टैग द एवरेज गाय, दैट इज माई फ्रेंड दिव्यांश शेखर. ही कमेंटेड दैट गुड, कीप गोइंग पुष्पेश, यू आर डूइंग ग्रेट, आई एम श्योर यू विल लर्न फ्रॉम द स्किल्स एंड cinematography. थैंक यू वेरी मच दिव्यांश. And he also told that he also wanted to start his YouTube channel, and but he was shy in front of the camera, so that's why he tried photography and expand his reach on Instagram, and that's good for him. And good luck and all the best for the future. This is the thing. Thank you, first of all, thank you very much Divyansh for writing this, and he has been a good friend of mine from the school days only, and he is also trying his best to explore his talent, and I wish a very best to him. The other comment I liked was from Mohsin. He is also a very great friend of mine in college. He wrote that, "Bhai, keep it up. The way you are improving in every video. Keep on creating." Thank you so much. That means a lot for me. And thanks for always supporting and subscribing to my channel, liking and sharing. And one was obviously from Siddharth, who has been constantly commenting on my videos from the very first video, and he is one of the first subscribers of mine. He wrote that, "To Uganda को जितने फैंस है पुष्पेश, ये देखिए कि आपके स्टार ने आपके लिए और वीडियो बनाया है. सारे कमेंट्स और अपना प्यार जताए यहाँ पे. अगेन very nice background and very nice try." Thank you so much, Siddharth. So these are all the comments that I have got, and these are one of the best comments that I have got, that I have to say from the very starting that I have started to make the videos. And thanks all these guys who have been supporting to me. And this video I am concluding is that do whatever you want. Failures आएंगी, then you have to learn. I'm also a struggling YouTuber now, but I keep on doing it because that's my passion. I am not getting inspired from outside, from inside I'm getting inspired, and that's what is keeping me moving. Today I'm having only 214 subscribers, but that doesn't matter at all. The thing is, I like to make videos, and so do you, whatever you want to do. For that say, thank you very much for watching this video. As always, if you like this video, please like and share, comment, and do whatever you want, and stay home, stay safe.